In this video, I will tell you how to fix Headspace app not working problem. First of all, check your internet speed. Is it working properly or not? For this, go to Google. Here type internet speed test. Click on this website link. The speed is normal. Next step, go to settings of your phone. Search for app management option. Now tap on app list option on the top. Search for Headspace app. Here tap on storage usage option. Now clear cache as well as data of this app. Now close it. The next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Here update app to latest version if update is available. If these tips not work, then contact app support team in Google Play Store. Here type your issue and then send it to a team. Now send the email.